As you all know that AI is taking over in multiple areas, multiple spaces in our lives, and on internet we can see people using AI in helping to make their content, and then also some people are using it for making scripts for their videos and for their content to post online. And I find it very disappointing and very frustrating that when I encounter such videos which are clearly scripted using AI, and the person is just reading the script provided by AI word to word, because it kills the genuineness and the human touch in a script or in a conversation or in any delivery or any speech. So that is the issue there. And we can see that on the other hand there are some kids, some young people, very young people who are putting some genuine thought, genuine dialogue, genuine conversation, and recording themselves and putting their thoughts online, putting their thoughts on the internet. And those videos seem very much better than the videos which are clearly scripted from AI, and those like very the those feel lively, and those feel and these videos feel much better than any AI scripted videos. And just that there are many things like this which are very frustrating about this AI time we are living in. And there's very less genuineness in videos we see online nowadays. And like this is like the thing in which you can say that the AI has some cons and some pros. But and but like I expect better from people who are like older in age, and who are some some experience of life, who can put some real thoughts, some genuine, some personal, some real touch, some human touch to the script and in their videos. And that would actually make their videos very much better. Even if it's imperfect, even it's not very catchy or anything, it can still be better, still be perceived as an honest attempt by the viewers, because there is also a shift in the viewers, that they also want to see something genuine, something real, something relatable, something not AI. They really want to explore. They really want to explore and watch something real and something human. And this makes videos much better. So if you are thinking about posting some genuine content online, and just wanting to try content creation and just posting yourself online, then this is a good time for you to try this out and to be genuine, and just to stand out in the crowd, which are most there are like which in which mostly the people are using AI for scripting their videos and all. So but it's also not right to say that majority of the creators or people online are posting AI generated content and AI generated scripted videos, because there are many and majority of people who are posting content are actually posting some genuine content too. Some they do they do they do use AI, but they are using it in a way that complements their videos and complements their workflow in making their videos and all. The case I want to discuss is that this if you are like capable, if you are old enough, if you have some experience with life, you can actually go for creating some genuine content. And you can just be genuine in you can try to use AI and get help from AI, but not totally script your videos with AI. That's not like a and I don't want to mean this in a negative way, in a way that I want to project hate on someone or anything. I just wanted to point this out, and I want this argument to be taken as criticism and as a feedback, so we can see and we can have some more genuine content online, we can just be we can just witness some, just we can have some better content online. So that's it I wanted to talk about in this video, and just wanted to share this, and share, just wanted to share this, and thank you for watching, and just let me know about your thoughts in the comments down below, and I would like to read them all. So thank you and bye.